Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore some of the most unique and creative products you can find online. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Halloween backdrop photography cloth available. The Halloween backdrop for photography by hraiufc, designed with a scary haunted house theme that perfectly sets the tone for your spooky celebrations. First, let's talk about what makes this backdrop so special. It measures an impressive 10 by 8 feet, or 300 by 250 centimeters, giving you plenty of coverage for group photos, themed parties, or professional Halloween shoots. The size makes it ideal for both kids and adults, and it easily transforms any ordinary space into a horror-themed setting ready for pictures, videos, or events. Now, let's discuss the material. This backdrop is made of high-quality vinyl fabric. That means it's lightweight, easy to carry, and has a smooth finish that reflects light beautifully for your camera shots. The HD printing ensures that every detail, from ghostly skulls to eerie haunted house textures, appears sharp and vibrant. The colors are high fidelity and designed not to fade easily, making it a dependable choice for multiple Halloween seasons. One important note, though, the material is not waterproof or washable. So if it gets dusty or slightly marked, it's best to clean it gently using a dry or lightly damp cloth. Avoid soaking it or using a washing machine. Also, keeping it out of direct sunlight for long periods helps maintain its color and quality. When it comes to setting it up, this product includes just the backdrop cloth itself. There are no brackets, clips, or pulls in the package. That means you can use your own backdrop stand or simply hang it against a wall, depending on your setup. It's easy to fold and carry, which makes it practical for event organizers, photographers, or anyone looking to decorate quickly and efficiently. Now, shipping can sometimes cause creases, but that's an easy fix. You can gently iron the back of the backdrop with a low-temperature steam iron. Just make sure you're working on the backside, not the printed front. Alternatively, you can stretch it tightly on a backdrop stand or roll it around a cylinder for a couple of days. Both methods help remove creases and restore a smooth, professional look. What's really nice about this product is its versatility. It's not limited to Halloween parties alone. You can use it for birthdays, themed photo booths, family events, weddings, online streaming backgrounds, club decorations, or even as a fun visual for your video shoots. Essentially, if you're looking to create a spooky or dramatic setting, this backdrop delivers. The company behind it, hraiufc, focuses on producing fun, creative, and high-quality party backdrops. Their goal is to make your event atmosphere more engaging and memorable. They emphasize customer satisfaction and encourage buyers to reach out if they have any questions, which shows confidence in their product. So, if you're planning a Halloween celebration, running a themed photo booth, or simply love decorating your space for the season, this backdrop can bring your vision to life. Its bold imagery, easy setup, and professional finish make it a standout choice for photographers and party planners alike. That wraps up today's review. If you're ready to set the perfect haunted mood this Halloween, check out the Halloween backdrop for photography by hraiufc. For links and more product info, you can find it on Amazon. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into products that make your events and projects extraordinary. See you in the next video.